Hi, I'm Kev from uk.Cane. Don't forget, smash the like button, give us a comment down below. With me, as usual, the Chris.
Okay, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, don't forget to care, don't forget to share. As always, please ring the notification bell and don't forget to free the fear.
Right guys, this week's video we're going to be looking at the sort of core exercises. You might have seen a previous one where we've done some techniques where Chris has been actually on his knees to do the technique with me. So we're going to start off with a little bit of sticky cane with a full cane. Chris is going to come in and literally we're just going to play around. You know, just little drills that we do quite regular. How's it feeling for your core, mate?
Oh, I can do this all day.
You can do it all day. Okay. Go on your knees. Right? Okay. Now, watch my knees. We're going to just do, again, sticky cane. I'm starting to get a little bit more of advantage. I'm getting worried looks from Chris. I've just cracked his finger. And all I'm doing is just little circle motions. But he hasn't got the core. Stalemate. How did it feel?
Definitely different.
So, we're just showing you that you can adapt your principle as an able-bodied instructor to get a bird's eye view of what the hell we go through. Now, Chris has got a nice little drill he's going to do with Dan, and it's blocking but at different levels, which I think is really important because you never know where you're going to end up in a fight, or an attack, or even a surprise birthday. We don't talk about it, it was years ago, and I think the family's forgiven me.
You don't have a surprise birthday, you were found under a rock.
This is true.
Or scrape dot, sorry. Okay. As I said previously, we will be doing more knee work stuff with the cane. So what I'm going to ask Dan to do is just do, with his empty hand, roundhouse punch one side of the head, other side of the head, then come down with a hammer strike on top of the head. So because I want to block that as a drill, this is not a technique, rather than me breaking his arms and giving a nice bullseye injury to his forehead, which isn't as big as Kev's, we're going to use a cane to represent his arm. The drill's going to be side of the head, and I'm just going to fan block, and I'm going to do a roof block. My temptation is to do a double-handed block. You can do that, but I've got this terrible habit of doing this if I don't pay attention. But there's a reason why I don't want to tie up my free hand. It may be as I blocked here, I can use this hand to come in, but I will need it in a moment for mobility. So this is going to be very slow speed. So we're going to get ready. I know what's coming, he knows what's going to happen. So he's going to do 3 strikes. Then as he comes in for the next set, I'm dropping to 1 knee. 2 knees. And I'm going to drop down again. And down. So this one's dodgy. If I don't get this right, I'm going to guide the cane to my limbs. He's going to come from again. So what I'm doing is using my hands, my legs, because I can't use my cane to push myself up. So I'm up on my knee, and then I'm up. Sorry. If I do it with 2 hands, as I go down, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but it's worth practicing so you get used to doing that. If you've got 2 canes, not going to be a good idea, but practice your techniques, blocking, striking, and simple techniques on your knees and on your back and on your side.
Right, the reason why we're doing this drill is you never know in any situation how you're going to find yourself. If you look at some of our videos, I think I'll stick them up there, from pushing techniques, where you get pushed from the back, pushed from the front. I was actually pushed once and went down. So I had the one cane in one hand, sort of like to try and get myself a bit of mobility, and one cane to defend myself. Practicing these drills not only helps you to get an understanding and compassion for the person that's either in a chair or has mobility difficulties, but it also opens up another little bit of training, because I can guarantee on the way home Chris will tell me and say, that drill, I've now thought of something we can do from this position, and it will spark your training off. And this is what we're trying to do, is we're trying to get this spark into you guys, where you look at something and go, oh, I could adapt that, and then maybe I could send that to them as an idea, and we'll feature it in a video. Hint.
I've just had an idea. Kev hates it when I say I have an idea, but check out Master Gary Hernandez. He did a similar sort of thing. Where to put your cane in the restaurant. Mine tends to be either hooked on the back of the chair, but not these ones, or I push it here. But I can always get my hands on it. Kev likes to have it across his lap, and depending who's sitting next to me, I actually quite like this. So we can do the same drill again, but this time there's a table in the way, so I've got to be a bit more aware of my surroundings. As always, the cane is representing my opponent. I don't want him flailing his limbs at me and then me powdering them up, because his mum would be really annoyed at me. So I have to be aware he's coming in. As soon as he steps in, I've got my cane and I'm coming through. I don't want to be sat here doing this all night. So can I push the table away? Can I push the chair back? Because that is a good distraction, so I can then continue. I've got room to move. Or it may be I have to force myself back, and then we're fighting over a table. So this is where your techniques and your sticky cane will come in, because then, bear in mind this is his arm, I need to control that. If I haven't already done so, take out his main weapon. We will be doing fighting over the table techniques. It was Callum's idea, so please don't blame me, Kevin.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to smash the like button, drop us a comment.
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, so hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell. Don't forget to care and share. And as always, free to fear.